Welcome back to Ben's Basics, and we're going to do a really quickie one here. So, as I said, save that marinade after the third time you make jerky, because now we're going to make barbecue sauce with it. We're going to need the marinade, and we're also going to need some ketchup. So, this recipe has a very interesting origin in the fact that Lee and Perrins used to sell a barbecue sauce in the 90s. It's been discontinued, but been trying to replicate it for years, and I've used many copycat recipes, but it just never got close. And then I looked at all this extra marinade I had, and I was like, you know what? I can use this, because the copycat recipes have Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce in it as ingredients. So I was like, why not? So first we're going to strain the marinade. There we go. We're not going to need any of these extra spent spices. And then we're going to add in a cup of ketchup. I'm using Whataburger brand ketchup because it's my favorite ketchup. There we go. All right. Now we're going to put it on medium heat for a couple of hours, and we're going to have it reduce down to a third of where it is. We're also going to need to give it a nice good stir to make sure we don't have any the ketchup sticking to the bottom. Alright, we're going to turn it on, and we'll be back in about every 20 minutes. You just give it a stir. Alright, it's been 3 hours, and we have our nicely reduced, rich, and thick. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that sauce. Alright, so we're just going to take a look at that. Yep, nice dark color, nice rich smell. Alright, now we're going to just put it in a container. I use this for everything. I put this on chicken wings. I put this on sandwiches. It's a great condiment. I put this on ribs. This is a great barbecue sauce. And again, we're just reusing that old marinade. Alright, just going to put that in the fridge. Let that set. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.